right, I just wanted to show you a quick video of plucking a part. You know, I used to not pluck parts when I first started out in wigs, but over time I really have found out they really look more natural. Now I'm highlighting this part here because if you look where that little circle is, that's what you want. You want complete cleared knots completely out of the way. So I'm using our beauty solution conditioning spray just to kind of loosen up the knots in the roots. Super easy. All you got to do is cycle and repeat. Trust me, just move slow. Do not move fast because you don't want to break or tear the lace. So I backed away just so you can see how much more prominent that part looks. And trust me, it's going to look so much more natural. So a client dropped this wig off and she really wanted us to not only pluck the roots, but to dye the knots. And I'm gonna tell you ladies, that method really does work. You're gonna see a huge difference. Plucking your wigs or not plucking your wigs, I say pluck the wigs and dye the knots. You're gonna get great results. You're gonna be super happy. I did it in the close-up so you can see. It is really important to moisten the knots. I find I get more success if it's moistened versus if it's dry because the lace, I have elasticity. It'll be a little bit softer because if it's dry, it's sometimes you can pluck a hole into it. So I definitely suggest using our beauty solution because it's gonna soften not only the hair, but it's gonna soften the lace as well. And you don't want any knots. That's what you're actually removing. Hope this video helped you. It has been my joy and my treat to give you a tip to help you look terrific. Check out some of my other videos and make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Make a comment down in the comments below. What videos do you want to see? All right, everybody, see you in the next video.